Hey everybody, this is Natasha from Divon Creations, and thank you for tuning in today. Due by popular demand, I am giving you this quick tutorial on how you can use your Cricut cutter, your Cricut maker, explore air, it doesn't matter, but how you can use your Cricut to cut multiple cuts on one mat. Now we all know the silhouette. I've showed you how you can cut different material, different material on one mat, but now I'm gonna show you how you can do Cricut, because Cricut, once you set the material, that's it. So if you're cutting paper, it's only going to cut paper for whatever you put on your mat. So in the beginning, all I'm doing is just changing the color, getting things situated. You're not missing anything here. But let's go ahead and hop in. I'm going to bring in my backing to my stickers, and I'm going to show you a quick way to do this. So now that I bring it in, for some reason, Cricut always brings the images in freaking huge, like a giant. I don't know why, but they do. So I'm just going to size it down. Now, keep in mind, these are not special sizing. This is just for tutorial purposes. These stickers are not available. They are on Cricut. So if you own a Cricut, you can go ahead and make your own stickers if you like. If you really like these stickers and you want me to print some out for you, you know what to do. Find me on Etsy and say, hey, can I get a sticker sheet? I have to hook you up. So as you see in here, I duplicated my sticker backing, my sticker packaging, I guess you'd call it, 3 times. Now, you may have to do it more depending on the type of sticker paper that you are using. But I duplicated it 3 times. And I made sure they were all underneath of each other. Like exactly. You don't want it to be shifted or anything. You need it all on top of each other. So what I did was I aligned it to the left and then I aligned it to the bottom. And what I'm doing here is going into Cricut Images, and I'm going to find the Pray, Grind, Shine sticker. It's in the Slay the Day cartridge. Really cute images, as you can see right here. Look at her. She's so cute with her fro and her crown. Don't play with her. So with that being said, I'm going to click Slay the Day, and we're going to go ahead and select this one. I'm going to go ahead and bring it in. I don't know what it did here, but yeah, we're going to go ahead and select it. It's going to come in, of course, huge. And all I'm going to do here is change the coloring. Because it's a layered image, because you can cut this or you can print it, but I'm going to go ahead and change the coloring first. And then the next step to do here is to size it so it can fit on your sticker paper or your back. Yeah, I don't even know what to call this. I'm like losing my mind. You want to size it down so it can fit on your sticker sheet. That is what it's called. I did a little boo-boo here. I went on and attached everything, and you don't want to do that. You want to make sure that you flatten your image first. So the Pray, Grind, Shine, you want to flatten it first. Don't try to attach it at one time. That was wrong. My bad. We all make mistakes here, but this is a real life video. So you want to, of course, unattach it if you do that by accident. Flatten your image, center everything, and then make sure you attach everything. You don't want to flatten your sticker sheet. The duplicates that we made, you do not want to flatten it. Don't flatten it. Keep it the way you import it. And when you look on the layers panel, it should say print and cut. And that's pretty much it. Once you attach everything, you go ahead and select make it. You size it the way you need it. Put as many as you would like to cut.